Hi, we're back again with our egg experiment. My mom had a food dye last night. I didn't see it in the morning. I think it just started to mix in earlier. And the egg is super fizzy, like it was when you first saw it. It is red. That was our food dye.
Let's tell them about it. So last night, as you saw, we dropped just a regular egg, a brown egg, into a cup of vinegar, and it was white vinegar. I added a little bit of food dye, some red food dye last night, just to kind of make things a little bit more fun. It's still fizzing, as you can see, with the chemical reaction there, because the vinegar is really acidic, and the egg is covered in calcium, so the shell is dissolving. So it's been almost 24 hours, and we're gonna take the egg out. So wish me luck that I can do that.
Oh, but not all of the eggshell came off.
It has. So I'm gonna wipe the rest of the shell off.
You're gonna have to be careful.
Yeah.
Not
Let's see.
break it.
We're just wiping the shell off because it's no longer hard.
Be careful.
And so then you have this membrane.
What's a membrane?
A membrane is the
How long can it last?
layer underneath the shell. Lots of things have membranes. Your cells in your body have membranes. And what happened while the egg was inside the vinegar is called osmosis. So once that shell was gone, water was able to pass through the membrane because it's not just a full seal like the shell.
Mommy, how
Yes.
come like the water went down when you took out the egg?
Because the egg,
Careful.
because the egg was displacing the water. Because
Wait.
so the egg is this size. It has this much volume, so it adds that volume to the cup and it bumps the water up. Yes, Avery.
I have a question.
What's your question?
How long can it last?
Like this?
Yeah.
Well, since it's an item, it's an organic item, so it would rot eventually, so we'd kind of have to get rid of it. It's like the same as keeping an egg, but now it doesn't have its protective shell, so it's literally just a membrane. If you could see, I'm squeezing it.
Can I squeeze it? Can I hold it?
You can hold it, but be gentle.
Was it a hard-boiled egg to begin with?
No, it's a raw egg.
So does that mean that it could just explode?
Yes. So,
Can I hold it?
sure, you want to feel it. So you can feel it. And you can give it a teeny little squeeze like that. It's kind of like a water balloon. You feel it? And you can feel it's even a little heavier
Can
than
you shake?
yesterday.
Can you scramble it with the yolk inside?
You can, I'll show you. And then if Daddy could get a flashlight, we can hold it up and we could see the yolk that's inside.
I want to do that.
So-
I want to do that.
We'll do that. We gotta hold it. Oh, okay, you guys can't see on the camera, but you kind of look through there. But on the camera, it just looks like a bright light. So sorry, you don't get to see that. But anyway, it's pretty cool. And watch, you can even bounce it like a bouncy ball. See? It's like a bouncy ball.
But it's like a but don't pop it because
Don't
it's like
pop it.
because it's like a water balloon.
Yeah.
We're gonna
All right.
basically our table.
Do you guys want to see if there's a little bit of the food coloring inside? You want to see? Okay. So, if Daddy could get a knife and
A bowl?
maybe something to do it over.
Like a paper towel. No.
Okay.
Aubrey. I mean Avery.
Oh, you got a sharp knife. All right. So here we go. Here goes nothing. You guys ready to see
Yay!
this?
Am I in the splash pad?
There we go.
Cool.
Wait, I want to see this. Oh, and now it's just like a balloon.
Yeah.
Inflated balloons.
So here is the membrane, and you guys can feel it. It's
Oops. I gotta go.
Can I feel?
real thin.
Can I see? Oh yeah, it is.
Okay, so we're gonna wash our hands afterwards, though, 'cause, you know, eggs have salmonella.
Ugh.
So any questions about what happened?
What's this powder on it?
That's still part of the calcium. That's the eggshell.
I think I touched a little bit.
Yeah, that's okay. We're gonna wash our hands. So pretty cool. But look, wasn't hard boiled. Just a regular old egg.
What smells it? No. Can you
And
actually?
then
Is it?
That is a bit of the eggshell, kind of dissolved in there.
Can I see it? Like, can you please pull it out so I can see it?
Well, it's just what's on your fingers, that kind of gritty feeling. So the vinegar.
Guys, this is what it is.
Yep. So the vinegar is an acid, and the outer shell of the egg is calcium carbonate. So when the calcium carbonate mixes with the vinegar, it dissolves that.
I'm going to go and wash my hands really quick. I'll be back, okay?
Sounds good.
I think we're gonna end the video. Anyways, this is the egg. And
Yeah.
I have a question.
Okay. Yes.
Can you like eat this egg like if you fried it and like do all the stuff like that?
That I'm not sure. I don't think I'd recommend it because it's been sitting outside of the refrigerator for 24 hours in vinegar, so I'm not sure.
Okay.
I don't know the answer to that question. Good question, though. Well, that concludes our egg experiment. I hope you guys liked it. A little bit
Sorry that we
about
needed to watch-
osmosis and how
Yeah.
liquids can pass through membrane, so semi-permeable membrane. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
I like the feel of
We liked it. I'm gonna wash my hands now. I hope you guys have a good rest of your evening, and maybe we'll see you tomorrow.